Opening a bank or investment account may sound complicated, especially if you're new here in Canada or if you're not used to online banking account. But don't worry, in this video I'm gonna show you step by step how to open a Wealthsimple account, and it's super easy. You just need your cell phone or a computer. That's my favorite type of account, and I believe you're gonna love it because this makes my life so much easier. So let's start it. What is Wealthsimple? Wealthsimple is a Canadian financial platform where you can have your cash account, where you can use it to save, spend, and send money. And also you can open an investment account. And these investment accounts, you can invest in stocks, in crypto, ETFs. It's kind of have a bank and an investment app all in one place. But the best part, no monthly fee, no minimal balance, and you can earn interest in your cash balance. So let's talk about the requirements to open a Wealthsimple account. You just have to be at least 18 years old. You have to be a Canadian resident with a valid address, and you have to have a SIN number. You don't need to be a permanent resident to open an account. Having the temporary residency in Canada is totally fine. So let's start it. The first step is downloading the app. You're gonna leave the link below in the description where you can click and do it. If you use my link, you can get up to $50 when you open your account and make your first deposit. So you just click the link and you click in download. I already have the app, so for me it just appeared to have updated. After you do your download, you open the app, click and sign up, put your name, your email, and your password. Then you have to put your phone number, click and continue. They're gonna send the code for you and just copy and paste here. Then they're gonna ask you your personal information. So you're gonna put your name, your date of birth, your address, and your SIN number. Then they're gonna ask to verify your identity. You have to take a picture of your passport, your driver license, or your provincial ID. You may also need to take a selfie to security verification. And that's it, you just open your Wealthsimple account. Now you have to choose what kind of account you wanna open inside of the Wealthsimple app. You can open a credit card account, a checking account, a USD savings, a TFSA, a RRSP. You just have to choose what kind of account you wanted to have. So let's open together a checking account. As you can see, in the checking account, you can earn 1.25% interest in the money you just leave there. Also, you can open up to 8 accounts. And the best part, that's zero cost for you. You can open up to 8 accounts and also delete some of these accounts when this doesn't make sense for you anymore. It's very easy to use it. So inside of the checking, you go to open an account, confirm. Here you can choose the name of your account. You can put home, future, family, vacation, rainy day. You can choose also another name that you want to put in your account. I'm just going to choose future and click in next. Now I have a brand new account and I can send money for this account from my other banking, or I can send money between these accounts if I created another account as like for vacation and I have an account, the name is future. I just can send my money between them how many times I want in the month. I'm not gonna pay anything for that. Most of the banks, they limited you, so you can do up to 10 transactions every month, or you're gonna pay a fee if you do more than that. And in Wealthsimple, you don't have this. If you wanna do 50 transactions in a month, it's not a problem. You're not gonna pay anything for that. So inside of your account, you can add money, you can transfer money, you can do e-transfer, you can pay your bills. It's very complete. You can do everything that you need in your checking account. And now you have your checking account. And as I said, you also can have your investments account inside of the Wealthsimple. And to do that, you just click on open or move an account. Go to open a new account. And you can choose to do your investments inside of a TFSA, a RRSP, or a no registered account, which is not good because you have to pay some fees if you create an account, no registered. So don't do that. I already have a TFSA account inside of my Wealthsimple app. So let's open an RRSP account. You just have to click on RRSP. You go to stocks, options, and ETFs. Click on new. Click on you and open an account. So you're just gonna have an account where you can do your investments. So you just have to choose what kind of account is the best for you. TFSA or RRSP. In my case, I prefer the TFSA because there's no tax. So if I put my money there or if I need to take my money from my account, I don't pay any tax. So that's why I use it. But that's limited, so better you search what kind of account is the best for you. And that's it. Your Wealthsimple account is ready. Now you can send, save, and invest your money all in one app. I hope this video helped you, and if you like it, just give me a like, and I hope you subscribe so I can see you in the next video.